Hey, in this video, I will show you exactly how to use Say What You See Google. So firstly, you just want to look up Say What You See Google on Google, and then click on this link, Say What You See, from Google Arts and Culture. This will take you to Say What You See. So you just want to click Launch Experiment, and then start level 1. So it tells you here that you need to include information about the medium, which is a painting, the subject, which is the dog, and the context, which is a field. So let's begin. Press Let's Begin. So it will generate an artwork on the left here, and you have to type a caption to describe the artwork with the medium, the context, as best as you can. If it becomes too hard, just press skip in the bottom right. So this looks like a pink painting with green leaves. Anyways, I hope this video was helpful. This is exactly how to use Say What You See. Thanks for watching.